Hi there! We hear it every day. Installing signage from tall ceiling heights is difficult and dangerous. Hanging signs from ceilings using ladders or lifts can be dangerous and complicated. The challenges and dangers are magnified when trying to access tall ceilings over 27 feet in height, leaving people hesitant to utilize this valuable space for hanging effective visual displays. Ceiling Outfitters says ditch the traditional heavy tool belt, unsafe ladders, and expensive lifts for our new and innovative solution, making sign installations and changeouts from areas with very tall ceilings simple, fast, and safe, and with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Introducing the FlatHat system, the solution to hanging signs from very tall ceilings. The FlatHat system virtually lowers the ceiling to a more accessible height and then works in conjunction with components of the Clik-Clik magnetic sign hanging system to install and retrieve signs. How does the FlatHat receiver work? Start by attaching 2 lengths of steel cable to the ceiling by wrapping it around a steel girder and securing the connection using either our Urban Trapeze cable gripper or crimps. Connect a FlatHat receiver to the loose end of each cable by threading the cable down through one side of an Urban Trapeze and the ring on the FlatHat receiver. Close the connection by threading the cable up through the opposite side of the Urban Trapeze. With the push of a button on the Urban Trapeze, incrementally fine-tune the height from the floor and level the sign. This is the last time you will need to use a lift to access the ceiling. As with the traditional Clik-Clik system, use loop line to connect one of our round click magnets to the sign. Use the Clik-Clik installation tools, the mag pole, and 24-inch adjustable mag mover. Raise the sign up to the FlatHat receiver and later retrieve it when changing out signs. To begin accessing very tall ceilings and virtually lower your ceiling height, order the FlatHat receiver, steel cable, Urban Trapeze cable adjusters, and round click magnets today with the full Clik-Clik sign hanging system. To order today, call our sign hanging professionals at 877-866-2545 or email ceilingoutfitters@gmail.com.